Hi everyone, Leanne here. We've been talking about plant medicine for the last 4 weeks, and we've talked about plant allies, which are allies that can help you during trying times. We've talked about uh, plant spirits and how plants have spirit, and everything has spirit. And then I've spoken about plant dietas and the healing it does for you, along with the learning that you experience. And then we talked about reciprocity and giving back to nature. And this week, to wrap up all of that, I'm going to talk about symbiosis and symbiotic relationships. So, symbiosis is a term describing any relationship or interaction between two dissimilar organisms. The specific kind of symbiosis depends on whether either or both organisms benefit from the relationship. The web of life, Shakespeare says, the web of life is of all of a mingled yarn, good and ill together. And humans live in close reciprocal relationships with a multitude of other living organisms, such as plants, trees, and the elements. I'll give you an example. So humans raise bees who pollinate fruit and vegetables, blossom, and provide honey. And we also have pets, right? They offer us love and playfulness and cuddles, and we benefit from that. And they benefit from us because they get meals and they feel the cuddles, and you get a symbiotic relationship. And less acknowledged are those organisms mostly intimately cohabitating with humans, the microbes in our bodies. These are mutually beneficial symbiotic relationships. I'll give you another example of symbiotic relationships between humans and plants and trees. So, plants and trees and humans have a shared and collective relationship. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. And plants and trees, on the other hand, take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen into the air. The role they play in the ecosystem is vital for humans and other life on Earth. So, trees support us by providing shade and shelter, preventing soil erosion, serving as windbreaks, cleaning the groundwater, and by providing food. Without symbiotic relationships, there would be no coral reefs. Trees might not proliferate. They aid us. Birds would not be around. Insects, transport of seeds would not be around, and human beings might not have survived and evolved into Homo sapiens. Consider how you are relating. What is your relationship to animals, not plants, and nature around you? Do you give nature respect? And do you give back in the relationship that you're in with nature? And so this correlates to reciprocity. So we have a relationship that is a mutual relationship of different organisms. This is the grass that I'm on is a different organism than I am. And it is I am in relationship with it. It is giving me something and I am giving it something. Kind of like with animals, like I've shared with you. Why it's so important to be in relationship is because, again, and I've shared this in my other videos, is that nature gives to us freely. And without nature, without the rocks, without the air, the sun, water, we would not survive. And so I just wanted to share with you what symbiosis means, what a symbiotic relationship means, and how important it is to create this, to be aware, have awareness in this department because it is so important to have awareness in this department. So if you have any questions or want to start a conversation or are interested in this topic, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching. Sacred blessings.